Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss all these points, what is meant by transversal, exterior angle, interior angle, corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle, interior angles on the same side of the transversal, or co-interior angle, or allied angle, or consecutive angles. Before starting all this, for good quality of picture, please download the video and move to your library option of YouTube, and then you can see the video very clearly. Okay, let's start. Now, what is meant by transversal? When two or more lines are intersected by different points by another line, that time the another line is called the transversal. See, hence AB and CD are two different lines, and it is intersected by the line PQ at two different points. Okay, suppose this point is X and this point is Y. Then this line PQ, or say suppose L, PQ is called transversal of the line AB and CD. Listen once again, two lines, it may be more of it, hence two lines AB and CD is intersected by a line PQ. The line is PQ, or we can say L, at two distinct points. Hence the distinct points are intersecting distinct point are X and Y. That time the line PQ or L is called transversal of these two lines. Okay, so transversal means a line which will cut or intersect two or more lines in two different or distinct points. Okay, so hence PQ is the transversal, or we can say L is the transversal. Now see, here 8 angles formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clockwise, you can see 1, 2, this one, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many angles formed for a transversal when it intersects two another lines? 8 angles. Okay, and all these 8 angles are related to all these points from 2, exterior angle, interior angle, like this. Now exterior means we know outside, so hence this one, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 8, angle 7, all these angles are exterior angle. You can see these are the exterior parts, they are lie on the exterior parts. So angle 1, angle 2, after that angle 7 and angle 8 are exterior angles in this case. Now next point is interior angle. Exterior means outside, then interior means inside. So angle 3, 4, 5, 6. See, they all lie in the interior part or inside part. So angle 3, 4, angle 5, angle 6, they are interior angles. Okay, and they are exterior angles 1 to 7. Okay, now we are coming to the next point, corresponding angle. Now corresponding angle, this part number 4, corresponding angle. Now corresponding angle means, you can remember this line, the corresponding angle always lie on the same side of the transversal. Now transversal PQ is transversal, this one side, or we can say right hand side, and this one left hand side. Okay, because transversal always divides it into two sides as it is a line. lie on the same side of the transversal and on same direction also. Okay, now see 1, 4, 5, 8. All these are on the left hand side. But which are the corresponding angles? 1 and 5 are corresponding angles to each other. Why? Because the direction of 1 is on the upward direction. Okay, you can see for 5 is also on the upward direction. So 1 and 5 are corresponding angle. Okay. Similarly, see 4 and 8. They are on the same side, that is left hand side, and also their direction is same. It is on the downward direction. Number 8 is also on the downward direction. So we can say angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles to each other. Okay. Now similarly, see angle 2 and angle 6 lies on the right hand side of the transversal and both are on the upward direction. So angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angle to each other. And in the same manner, angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles to each other because they lie on the same side of the transversal, that is right hand side of the transversal PQ, and their direction is same. Both the direction is in the downward. Okay. Now corresponding angles over. Now coming to the alternate interior angle. Now alternate interior angle. Point number 5. See alternate. Alternate means one will be on the left hand side, another will be on the right hand side of the transversal. Hence the transversal is, or PQ is the transversal. So alternate interior angle means one angle will be on the left hand side of the transversal, one angle will be in the right hand side of the transversal. This means alternate. And interior means second word is interior. So both the angle will be alternate but with respect to interior. See, hence which are the interior angles? 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are interior angles. But 4 is on the left hand side and 6 is on the right hand side. So angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. Listen once again. Alternate means all these 4 angles, 3, 4, 5, 6 are alternate angles, but interior angles. But we have to select alternate interior angles. So alternate means 4 and 6. This is the alternate side and also interior angles. And now alternate and similarly 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles also. Okay. So angle 4 is alternate interior angle to angle 6 and angle 3 is alternate interior angle to angle 5. Okay, now next point is alternate exterior angle. If you can understand the alternate interior angle, then it is very easy to view alternate exterior angles. Now alternate means one angle will be on the left hand side, another will be on the right hand side. And exterior angles means will lie on the outside part. And hence angle 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angle. So alternate means one is alternate with respect to 7. So angle 1 is respect to angle 7, both are exterior angle as well as alternate angle. So they are alternate exterior angles. Okay. Similarly, angle 2 in the right hand side, angle 8 in the left hand side as well as their exterior angles. So angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles to each other. Okay. Now coming to the point, interior angles on the same side of the transversal or co-interior angle. Now see, the word is interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Now interior angle means already we know 3, 4, 5, 6 all are interior angles. Now but we have to find interior angles on the same side, on the same side of the transversal. So same side means one side is left hand side, another side is right hand side, and as well as we have to find interior. So 3, 4, 5, 6 all are interior angles, but angle 4 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 5 are interior angles of the same side of the transversal, on the same side of the transversal. Okay, and similarly angle 3 and angle 6 are also interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Which side? Right hand side. And 4, 5 on the left hand side of the transversal, and they are interior angles. Okay, and all these angles are also called co-interior angles. So angle 4, 5 are called co-interior. Co-interior means interior as well as on the same side of the transversal, or we can say allied angles, or we can say consecutive angles. Okay, so co-interior angle means interior as well as on the same side of the transversal. Okay, so and beside that, don't think interior angle, corresponding angle, exterior angles means always these two lines will be parallel to each other. This one a special case of this. These two lines may be in any form. Okay, they may be parallel, they may not be parallel. Okay, and this is transversal. This one is the general case, and this is the special case when the two lines will be parallel to each other. And when these two lines are parallel to each other, that time some property holds between corresponding angles, between alternate interior angle, between alternate exterior angles, and that will be discussed in the next class by theorem. Okay, so today just know about all these points: transversal, exterior angle, interior angle, corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle, interior angles on the same side of the transversal or co-interior angles. And keep in mind, these two lines may be in any form. They may be like that, they may be like that, no problem. Okay, but if they are parallel, and this is a transversal, that is a special case of all this, when these two lines are parallel. And for when they are parallel, that time some property holds for all these angles, and that will be discussed in the next class. Okay, today up to that, thank you. And once again I am telling you, download the video and move to your library option of YouTube, and then you can see the video. Why I am telling you? Because for good quality of picture. Okay, and use the headphone also. Thank you.